Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share C language subject model paper for the year 2023 for BCom second semester. As you can see students, this is the paper of June-July 2023. Why this question paper is most important? Because most of the time questions come from a paper that is 2 years back. So this is for computer application courses only under BCom. Programming with C and C++. Time is 2 hours. Maximum marks are only 50. It has two sections, part A and part B. In part A, total you'll get 8 questions. Out of 8 questions, any 5 questions you have to attempt. Each question carries 2 marks. So total 10 marks you can get in part A. Now let us see the questions. What is a variable? Why if statement is used? What are the built-in functions? List out features of pointers. Define polymorphism. Advantages of OOP. Write about unicorns. What is preprocessor? Now let us see part B. In part B, you need to answer all the questions. From every unit, you'll get one long answer. And in every one long answer, you'll have 2 options, A and B, like that. So each question carries 8 marks. So a total of 40 marks you can get. Question number 9 comes from unit number 1. The first question A, explain the basic structure of a C program. This is one of the most repeated questions, students. Or you can do B, what are the different operators available in C language? This is also from unit number 1. Question number 10, discuss about switch statement with syntax with an example. This is taken from unit number 2. Or distinguish between while loop and do while loop. So this is also from unit number 2. Now question number 11 comes from unit number 3. What is an array? Explain different types of array, most repeated question. Or explain the difference between call by value and call by reference. Question number 12 comes from unit number 4. Explain the process of declaring and initializing pointers. Give an example. Or write about enumerated data types with an example program. This is also from unit number 4. Question number 13. This is most important question that comes from unit number 5. Explain about storage classes. Or list out the similarities and differences between C and C++.